All right, I want to show you this set. So you could crimp the wires and you could strip the wires. It comes with these heat shrinks for the wires and these gloves. So you strip the wire here. This is adjustable, so you could make it longer or shorter depending on how much you need to strip on the wire. And these are the crimping tools which lock in place. You squeeze it all the way, it opens up. You can see here red, blue, and yellow, and the sizes there. So 22 to 16 is red, 16 to 14 is blue, and 20 to 10 is yellow. Little piece there. All right, so let's strip this one. There we go. Let's put in one of these sleeves. All right, so we got that in there. Now we're gonna put the sleeve. And these are heat shrinks. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use a lighter. All right, perfect. Let's see that.